So guys, welcome back to another video where today we're going to be putting in my new CEUK Headlights, that full LED kit. I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. It's really simple. It's probably one of the most simplest mods you can ever do. You just got to take out the headlight and then we'll be sorted. So to remove the headlight, it's really simple. You're going to need, you can use a Torx bit or a flathead screwdriver. You take that one out and that one out, and then use a crosshead. Just gently undo that, pull that out. So I'm going to release, excuse me, I'm going to loose those three up and take them out, and then I'll show you what's next. So I've got them two out. I'm not impressed with this. I've taken these out once and it wasn't like this, but this is from another garage. Just spotted that. I'm really not impressed, but you know, we can get that sorted. So I've just got to remove this one. Try and do this one-handed, it's quite fun. Like so. So now the headlights, screws and bolts are all out. You've literally just got to pull it up, like so, and pop straight out. Don't forget, this here, you just need to disconnect this by literally simply push in. There's a button there and pull it out. Obviously it's quite hard because I'm doing it tack-handed. Just get it this way. Yeah, I'm going to do this bit off camera, but it's really easy to do. Just pull it out and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so I have already got LED headlights, but these are just so shit, so I'm going to replace them with the CEUK ones I've got. So yours will look a little bit different. Yours will look like it has a cap like this. So all you need to do on your one is just pull the cap off, and you'll see the bulb's plugged in, and it comes out the same way. So you actually twist it, it pulls out. But you'll have, obviously, yours will just be connected by that little bit into that. So that's just the exact same way, just twist and pull, and your bulb will come out, and just obviously disconnect it from here. Nice new ones. Open it up. So these bits here, they're like a tint. You can wrap it around the LED lights, but obviously because I just want it clear, like clear LED look, I'm not going to add any of these tints to it, but you get the option to do that if you wish to do so. Right, so let's just grab one of these out. They even look so much better than the old ones. The old ones are down there. Just look much better. So what we've got to do is put that obviously back into there. So with these CEUK ones, if you notice, it's got like sort of like a little ball joint where this spins. If you push it up, I don't know if I'll be able to do it one-handed yet. Take this bit off, put that aside for a minute. You can then just locate this little bit into there. So we just need to figure out what way it goes round. I'm guessing it goes something like that. So again, you just got to play around and just figure out how that goes. Obviously you've got your little clips, they might just need bending back and bending back over. So I'm just going to do this off camera quickly, as again it's easier to do one-handed, with two hands than it is one-handed. Okay, so as you can see, I've sort of put the bit that had the little lip has gone onto the way I'm looking at it, to the left hand side. And then just push these clips sort of just over, and you'll see that it just sits over and grips it on. So now what you can do, now that's firmly in place, you can see that ain't moving. You can now get your LED and then just pop it straight in through the hole, and it will use that ball mechanism to lock it into place, like so. That's a pretty cool idea. I like that. You don't get that on many LED lights. That little mechanism that they have, it's pretty cool. So what we're going to do now is just plug that into there, tuck the wires down. Obviously you can't fit the cover back on. Some people like to cut a hole and put the cover back over, but it's fine without the cover. Yeah, so I'm going to not going to cut any hole. I'm going to connect this up, and I'm just going to reverse what I just did with putting the headlight in, exactly the same, and do the other side. Okay, so I hope I explained that well enough. It is literally the same each side, there's nothing different, and then just put it back exactly in reverse. Really simple, 3 bolts, oh, 3 screws, and plug and play really. Great product, £35 they were at Ford Fest. I'm not too sure how much they are originally, I'm sure they put a bit of discount on for Ford Fest. But great product. Hope this video did help. It has been a bit all over the place trying to explain something, why doing it one-handed and stuff like that is quite difficult, but I hope if you have any questions, just ask me down in the comments below and I'll help you guys out. So hope you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.